So now let us see how to set custom mouse cursor inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So what I've already done so far is I went to a website called icons.com where I downloaded this mouse file as an ICO file. So I downloaded the icon file right over here and it's on my desktop. So you can download any icon file or any cursor file to follow along with this process. So I'm going to go over here on to start menu. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to settings in order to access the mouse settings right over here. So I'm going to go there and then I'm going to go inside of devices. And from devices on the left hand side, you can see that there's mouse. So let me just click on mouse. And once I do that, I'm going to navigate around to additional mouse options, just like that. Once I do that, there's my mouse properties, as you can see. So I'm going to go around to pointers right over here. And here you can see that I have my normal select as my default mouse cursor. So what I want to do is I want to replace that with the icon that I downloaded. So to do that, I'm going to select the cursor status. So I'm going to change the default cursor itself. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on browse. I have the mouse icon saved in the desktop, but you don't see the mouse anywhere over here. That is because right now the type of file which is supported is ANI or CUR. So I have to change this out. I have to expand this and choose all files. The icon file is similar to the cursor file itself, so it really supports that well as well. So I can actually take any icon file over here, even software application icon if you want to do that. So I have the icon file right here and I'm going to press open right over here. And once I press open, you can see that now I have the normal select, and to apply it, I have to click apply. And now you can see that my mouse cursor changed into this little mouse over here. I can press OK right over here. And just like that, I got a new mouse, as you can see. So I can expand this out. And this is my mouse cursor, just like that. If you want to change it back, you need to go to additional mouse settings again over here. And then you have to go to the pointer settings right over here. So this is the mouse cursor. You don't want that out. You can go back on to the system default right over here. That is default scheme. Press apply and you get the mouse back. So that is how you can add in custom mouse cursors and change back in Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.